There is a sound that Rahman has made with his voice. Sometimes it takes time, yeah. It's a big film. And Ashutosh Gwarekar ko agar aap jante ho to he's quite a very detailed filmmaker. You know, he takes his time to make sure he's got the perfect frame and all the research is done. And so yeah, it takes time sometimes, yeah. But as long as the film is good, which I think we both are very proud of.
Sunita Gowarikar actually saw one of my ads and she called me, found my number through someone and called me, and at that time they told me that, they didn't tell me it was this film, they just said that, you know, we have some projects on hand, so, you know, if it works out then great. So I went, met her, then I met Ashu sir, he gave me like 5 scenes to audition on, and then...
And then I saw the auditions.
Yes. Then you saw my pictures, you said.
I saw her pictures and then I said, that's the girl.
Thank
Then
you
they
so
said,
much.
you're very welcome. You owe it all to me.
Yes.
Who broke the
Share
ice?
your story.
Again? Yeah. So yeah, that was me. I broke the ice thanks to a protein biscuit, which I offered her because she was looking for some, like, you know, a good diet and stuff, protein-rich diet and stuff. So I gave her my very special favorite protein biscuit, which was actually a piece of chalk from the set.
It was actually a seal on the set. So imagine he actually broke a prop and just gave it to me. And of course,
Yeah.
I told him it looks like chalk.
No.
And in my defense, and he was like, yeah, but now see, now whatever is good for your body, it doesn't taste that good. But whatever is not good for your body looks damn good.
Might not
And-
look appetizing, but it's good for you. Yeah, you should just try it.
And then everyone on set said, you know, you have to try it. He's flown it especially down from Bombay to Bhuj.
And
so
I
you
don't
have to
share
try
them.
it.
I don't share my protein, you know, stuff. But I said I'm doing it just because, I mean, you know, it's you and I really care, and you know, I want you to look great in this film and stuff. So please try it, and I don't mind. I'll get you more if you like it. So she had a bite, and she was chewing her way to glory on chalk.
I was just being nice.
Just like trying to like understand that, you know, is this the way it's supposed to taste? Her whole, like, there was like a short circuit in her brain. I think it was.
And this is the first time I'm meeting him, okay? So you can imagine.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
after that, there was no ice. It was broken. He didn't narrate the story. He sent me the script. First, he sent me a script which was this thick. Then my reply came after a very long time. So he understood. Then he sent me a script which was this thin. And I called him back right away. And I said, let's do it. I love the script. I love the story. It's amazing, yeah. It's not changed only. He's identical. His entire style and everything was the same, which was good. Which was good because he was great in Akbar. The way he handled the set and the way he made that film and the way he was with us as actors and stuff, he was fantastic. So I'm actually very glad that it was all the same. Yeah, locations I think was the toughest part of this film because एक तो भुज जहाँ पर, you know, the good part about Bhuj is that the food is great and all of that, but the set unfortunately was built in some isolated, you know, part of the city, hours away, and then it was like this huge set. The amazing thing about Ashutosh is that he actually built Mohenjo-daro. You know, he actually constructed the entire city, the structures, the lanes, the arena, the great bath, it was all there for you to, touch and feel. So that was absolutely incredible. Nothing was left to our imagination कि कैसा हुआ होगा, ऐसा हुआ होगा नहीं, ऐसा था. It's right there in front of you. So that was amazing. But yes, it was long hours and very dry and very hot and nothing else to do but focus on work, which again is good. Was good for us.
Yeah, I mean, obviously. I mean, what do you, there are certain things for a debutant or for a debut film that you want, and whether it's great actor, there are certain checks that I made, whether it was actor, director, producer, even the script, even Chani per se for the film is such an important role that I'm lucky that I actually got to play her for my first film. So I think I'm blessed to have actually had this opportunity to work with them. And even the rest of the cast, whether it's Kabir Bedi or Arunodaya or Suhasini Mule, everyone they're just brilliant actors. So for me to actually work with them for my first film I'm privileged.